Welcome to another episode of Feature Friday, a weekly series where I break down my favorite features and we hear from some of our team. But this week, we're just talking features, so let's get right into it. The first feature is relatively simple and it's in regards to search. We've basically done a lot of speed improvements around our simple search, where when Shade was first being built, it was all AI search, and basically, the AI would search through all of your assets and find the asset you're looking for, even if you're looking for a folder. Now, not only do you have AI search that you can access via the command palette and the Command K shortcut, but you also have just the normal search you'd be used to, where you type in the name of the folder and it pulls it up. But you can still access AI search by hitting the tab key. But it does improve speed dramatically, which obviously is good for everybody. And the last feature I want to talk about this week, I'm actually pretty excited about, and it's in regards to the mounted drive. You see, within Finder itself, you have the ability to add certain tags. For instance, you could give something a thumbs down, or you could tag it with a certain color. And what our engineering team has been able to do is actually pretty brilliant. Now those tags populate to everyone else's mounted drive. So if I am looking at the mounted drive and I want to tag something green, then everyone else that's using that mounted drive will see that folder or file tagged as green. This is super cool because you could actually work with a specific color code, and when someone tags something with that specific color code, it'll populate across the board. So there's a ton of use cases there, but I think the main thing is just the fact that it's opening up that Finder specific tagging capability that will just transfer across all of everyone's mounted drive. And that's a super cool feature. But as always, I just want to shout out our engineering team. They've been doing an incredible job, not only building new features into Shade, but also just strengthening the core Shade app. What you don't see in these Feature Friday videos are all of the little tiny adjustments that the engineering team is making to basically improve Shade. But those specific changes aren't really labeled as a specific feature. It's just small, tiny iterations that the entire team is working on. But they're actually super beneficial to the app overall. So shout out to the engineering team. Thank you guys so much for all your hard work. And as always, thanks for watching and thanks for using Shade.